And so it begins. We're starting our backyard pool remodel. All this decking is going to be taken out and replaced, and the pool completely redone. All of this equipment is going to be removed and replaced. Should be replacing this little concrete pad also. So first thing that we're doing is removing a bunch of rock in here because we want to recover the rocks. They're going to trench in here to put in some 3 shear descents and some return lines to the pool. There's the hard worker. Day 1 for us. We just cleared off the deck, cleared out rocks along there, took the rocks out from behind the pool, got rid of some furniture. This type of rock, ram's horn silver, might become the coping. I'm voting for bluestone. Today is January 24th, 2024, and this remodel job is getting real now. Got a pump down there, pumping water out to here. This pool is about 28 years old. You can see all the plaster chipping up down in the bottom of the spa, the jacuzzi here. Some of the other defects I'll show you. The concrete has been self-destructing for many years now. You can see it's kind of a grid pattern of the rebar they laid under the concrete. It's got some really horrible spots, like here, there, and there's several more like that. This 1/4 Pammy rock finish is delaminating. It's just lifting up. It's talking to me. I think it's dying. It's a little after 6 p.m. We have a little ways to go to empty the water out of the pool.